It's not exactly known how long the virus causing COVID-19 lives on surfaces and objects. Some findings show that it can last for a few hours, up to even days. An effective way to reduce the risk of spreading the virus is to thoroughly clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces and objects. And these are things like doorknobs, handrails, light switches, elevator buttons, tables and counters, and even your electronics. Regular soap and water is effective to remove germs, dirt, and impurities from surfaces, and this method has shown to reduce the number of germs and reduce the risk of spreading the virus, and this is commonly obtainable. However, disinfectant is far more effective. Choosing a product like a ready-to-use pre-mixed solution or a wipe that cleans and disinfects at the same time can be far more effective. And when choosing a product like this, always look for an 8-digit drug identification number or a DIN number. You can find this number right on the label. And this shows that the product is approved by Health Canada and it's very safe to use. The reason you want to use a disinfectant is because it actually has chemicals that kills germs. There are a number of businesses that are responsible for cleaning public spaces, and these are schools, the average workplace, office environment, communal housing, public transit, art galleries, and museums. And facilities personnel, especially at this time during the pandemic, should be looking for ways to increase their cleaning and disinfecting to reduce the risk of spreading the virus. There's good information to be found at canada.ca/coronavirus about cleaning.